Thanks for coming. Woo! Alright, welcome back, Aces channel. Another Shinny game against the Quinte officers, but there are not some Quinte officers. I had to call some people up, but we're glad we're here. We're here at the Goodyear rink, home of the Napanee Raiders Junior C team, and where I had. Okay. All right, sounds good. Okay, so take two. Here at the Goodyear rink in Napanee, playing against the Quinte officers. Not so much Quinte officers, some people who are called up to play just for some ice time here. You should, yeah, it looks like it. And where I coached once with the UBC Thunderbirds women's hockey team for the 2017 Women's Nationals, where we won a bronze medal. So this should be interesting today with the rematch here. First game of 2 this week. Off-season problems. Got it. Oh, you Hegsy! Oh! Oh, the shot. Woo! Like Vladimir Krutov out there. I'm good. I'll look good on YouTube. Oh. Good job. Jesus! Oh! Dangler! I know, big dangler. Oh, Hagsy. Nice save, Hagsy. There we go. There we go. Kidding me. Comeback time, boys. Yeah, at least. Double save. Oh! I can't see right now. I can't see right now.
Yeah, for the game, you got to spin your visor.
Yeah.
Wipe it and wipe it off.
Alright, I can see now. I can see now.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, Graham. Jesus. Oh. I swear, I'm like -8 right now. What a pass! Okay, he's Larionov. He's not Makarov. There we go. guys have it?